Ooh.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a topic that's near and dear to my heart, bartending. I know you are probably thinking about bartending, right? Hear me out because this is way more fascinating than you might think. So we have the first question. How do you think the history of bartending affected our present situation? Actually, this is a great question. The history of bartending is actually super interesting and goes way back. From the ancient Egyptians who enjoyed their fermented drinks to the taverns of medieval Europe, bartending has always been about bringing people together. Think about it. The way we socialize, the way we celebrate, the way we unwind, it's all about influenced by the evolution of bartending. Today, bars are more than just places to get a drink. They are a cultural hub, social spaces, and even art galleries. The second question, who is the first bartender in the world? For me, there is no definitive answer to that question. We can pinpoint a single person and say this is the first bartender, right? But we can trace the roots of bartending back to ancient civilization where people brewed and served drinks. So which are the countries pretty active in bartending? Well, bartending is global phenomenon, but some countries are definitely known for their vibrant bar scenes. The first one is the United States. So the United States were known for their craft cocktail movement with tons of talented bartenders pushing the boundaries of mixology. The second one is Japan. They have a rich tradition of cocktail culture with a focus on precision and artistry. The next one is Italy. Think about apparel spritz, Negronis, and a whole lot of deliciousness. The next one is Spain. They are known for their tapas bars and their love of gin and tonics. So the last one is the UK. From classic pubs to trendy cocktail bars, the UK has a diverse and exciting bar scenes. So the first question, what is the purpose of bartending in this society? So this question is being debated for centuries. Some people argue that bartending is simply about serving alcohol, but I think it's much more than that. Bartenders are often first point of contact for people looking for a good time, a friendly face, or a place to unwind. They create a welcoming atmosphere, they know how to make people feel comfortable, and they often become trusted confidence. In a way, bartending is about building community and fostering human connection. So, there you have it. That's my take on the history and purpose of bartending. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this.
Ooh.